In this video we are going to create a simple double opt-in funnel for sign-ups. I'm using my unlimited lifetime license with Influencersoft. So let's create a new funnel, and it will only take 5 to 10 minutes to create the whole thing and go live. So let's get started by clicking on Funnels, Create New Funnel. Here we are. We need to click on Double Opt-in because we want to collect leads that are GDPR compliant. Let's also click on the content component here. You can drag the components to wherever you like them. Now click on the double opt-in component and drag a little arrow from the envelope symbol to the content page. Afterwards, please click on the little pen, select Actions, and create a new list. I will call this one Simple Double Opt-in Funnel. Click on plus. Here is the confirmation. The new list has been created in real time. Now please click on Main, Create Page. Pick the first subscription page. You should see a preview. Now let's click on the Create button, and after a few seconds the page has been created. Now please click on Save Page and click the little red door symbol to leave it. Yes, we want to exit. Here is the link for the page. Now let's close that. Click onto the content component and the little pen. Select Create Page. This time we will pick this one for the video. Let's click on Create. Here is our page. Now let's save that one. And afterwards, please click on the little red door to exit the page creator. Let's close the properties window and turn on your funnel. And if everything went well, you should see that the switch has turned to green. Now select the double opt-in form, click on the little eyeball, fill in a fake name and a real email address because you need to click on the confirmation link in the email that is going to be sent. Now let's click the button. Here is the confirmation message. And here is the confirmation email. I need to click the activation link here. And it takes me to the content page of our funnel. The video is already working. And that's how you can save time, money and effort and create a simple double opt-in funnel within 5 minutes or less. Obviously, you can do a lot of other cool stuff to improve your own results and save time, money and effort. For now, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.